It's time to add that final pop and gloss that everyone loves using the all-new Hybrid Solutions Pure Shine.
I mean, my favorite is Pure Shine. I mean, it's like that icing on the cake, that final touch when you've done, your polishing, waxing, and you just add that nice, warm, thick glow at the end of the process. So we're utilizing the Flairosol delivery system, so it's a very fine, even, streak-free mist that delivers nice and even coating to allow perfect application.
The Flairosol is going to enable you to get a soft, consistent spray across the whole panel, which is going to make sure that you don't have any streaks and you don't have any over application of the product, as well as you only have to pull the trigger one time so you don't end up with that trigger fatigue like you sometimes do with a traditional trigger sprayer.
Instead of using aerosol, they use a Flairosol delivery system that actually works beautifully and is also not bad for the environment, so it's a win-win.
It has anti-static properties in it, so it definitely keeps the car cleaner longer and just leaves that nice warm dark glow.
It increases the depth of the shine of any paint color, and it's also so easy to use. I never worry about streaking, I never worry about over applying the product. I just get the result that I want in a very efficient and effective manner.
It's kind of amazing. Pretty quickly, the guys were able to get rid of some real problem areas that bothered me, and it looks great. I have to say, shiny and really smooth, almost buttery, I would say.
Now that this G-Wagon's paint looks as good as new, it's ready to head out on its next adventure.